Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Bolt.new coupon code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come over to Bolt.new and sign into your account or sign up. And then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto our user profile. So that can be located at the top right hand corner or the bottom left hand corner. So I'll just hover over my account here. So from here, I want to go ahead and click onto my subscriptions. Now, in order to add that coupon code, basically you want to add that coupon code when you're signing up to a subscription or upgrading the Pro. So I'm up the subscription and tokens. Now I want to go ahead and click on to choose my plan. So we've got different plans here. So I'm just going to choose the cheapest one, click on upgrade. And now when it goes to the checkout page, this is where we can go ahead and add in that or redeem your coupon code. So see here at checkout. Now, if we look at the price below that, it's got add a promotion code or coupon code. Click onto that, add in your code, and whatever that code amounts to, that could be $5 off per month or have that first month free, just depending. That's going to be applied here. So once you apply it, it's going to say total due today, and then that's going to change obviously with the discounts from that promo code. Then on the right hand side, we can pay via link, or we can put in our credit card, debit card information and click subscribe.